Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to choose best VPS hosting. Selecting the right VPS hosting is crucial for your website performance and scalability. Here are some top providers to consider. First one is MilesWeb. It offers managed and unmanaged VPS plans with SSD and NVMe storage starting at $6.89 per month. With 32 global data centers, they provide robust security features and 24/7 support, making them a reliable choice for various hosting needs, starting at $7.49 per month. Second one is Hostinger. Hostinger is known for its affordability and user-friendly interface, with VPS plans starting at $5.99 per month. They offer root access, SSD storage, and multiple data centers worldwide, making them ideal for developers seeking flexible hosting solutions, starting at $7.99 per month. The third one is A2 Hosting, which provides high-performance VPS options with SSD storage and up to 3 terabytes data transfer, starting at $2.99 per month. They are recognized for their speed optimization and developer-friendly features suitable for hosting demanding applications. And last but not least, Bluehost. Bluehost offers VPS plans with 100 GB NVMe storage and unmetered bandwidth. Starting at $2.99 per month, they provide robust security measures and a user-friendly dashboard, making them a solid choice for businesses seeking reliable hosting solutions. Whenever you're choosing a VPS hosting provider, consider factors like performance, scalability, security, and customer support to ensure it aligns with your website's requirement. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.